Soil investigation is an essential step in any construction project, and Mahipalpur in Delhi is no exception. Located in the southern part of Delhi, Mahipalpur has witnessed rapid urbanization and infrastructure development in recent years. As a result, it becomes imperative to conduct a thorough soil investigation before commencing any construction activity in this area. The main objective of soil investigation in Mahipalpur is to assess the suitability of the soil for various construction purposes. The soil composition and properties can vary significantly from one location to another, even within the same city. Therefore, it is crucial to understand the specific characteristics of the soil in Mahipalpur to ensure that the design and construction of structures are appropriate and safe. There are several methods used for soil investigation in Mahipalpur, depending on the nature of the project and the depth at which the investigation needs to be conducted. These methods include borehole drilling, geotechnical testing, and laboratory analysis. The soil samples collected during these investigations are then analyzed for their physical and chemical properties. One of the key considerations during soil investigation in Mahipalpur is the bearing capacity of the soil. This information is crucial for designing foundations, as it ensures that the structures will be able to safely support the intended loads. Another important factor in soil investigation is the presence of any contaminants or pollutants in the soil. Any building project must include a thorough soil analysis, and Mahipalpur in Delhi is no exception. Mahipalpur, a neighborhood in Delhi's south, has recently experienced a rapid urbanization and infrastructure development. As a result, it is crucial to carry out a comprehensive soil assessment before starting any building work in this area. Assessing the soil's appropriateness for various construction uses is the primary goal of the soil investigation in Mahipalpur. Even within a same city, there can be substantial differences in the qualities and composition of soil. To guarantee that the design and construction of structures are acceptable and safe, it is necessary to understand the specific features of the soil in Mahipalpur. In Mahipalpur, many techniques are employed to conduct soil investigations depending on the project's type and the required depth. These techniques consist of laboratory analysis, geotechnical testing, and borehole drilling. Following collection during these investigations, soil samples are examined for their physical and chemical characteristics. The soil's carrying ability is one of the main factors taken into account in Mahipalpur during soil investigation. This knowledge is essential for planning foundations since it guarantees that the buildings can support the specified loads safely. In any development project, including Mahipalpur in Delhi, soil analysis is a crucial first step. Mahipalpur, a neighborhood in southern Delhi, has had a significant growth in infrastructure and urbanization recently. Therefore, before beginning any construction work in this area, a complete soil investigation is required. Mahipalpur's soil investigation has as its major goal determining the soil's appropriateness for various construction projects. Even within the same city, there can be considerable regional variations in